Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. So guys, on this video we are going to be making carrot juice. Yes, so carrot juice is very good, it's very healthy. So that is what we are going to be making this morning. Carrot juice is made of with beta carotene, and it's going to help you to glow your skin. So I love taking carrot juice all the time, at least once in a week. I do take it, just to make it and put it in my fridge, then be taking it 1 cup per day. So you can also do yours, just get the carrots. So these carrots have been, washed and, scraped. I've already used my hand scraper to scrape it. So we are just going ahead to, juice it out. So everything you see here is already washed and clean. So I'm going to be, so just relax. Stay still while we do it together. So guys, this is what I got in 2 kg carrots. So I'm going to show you guys. This is what I got in just 2 kilo of carrots. So it's very nice and very healthy. Sometimes I don't mix it with grapefruit or orange juice, or just orange sometimes, but today I've just decided to just do the carrot alone. Yes, it also tastes good. When you mix it with orange or grape, it also give it another taste. It just depends on what you want or what taste you want. Sometimes I do mix it together, while sometimes I just take it. So I'm going to be maybe this is going to give me about 3 cups of glass. Yeah, 3 cups, 1 per day, and it's over. Yeah, that is it. Thank you also so much for watching. Hopefully to see you guys on my next video. Until then, remain blessed and stay blessed. Bye.